Hi grade 6, welcome to your next ukulele lesson. Today we're going to be learning a classic surf ukulele hit. It's actually more of an electric guitar thing, but when you're on an island in the middle of Hawaii, you got to know how to play all the island tunes when the people be surfing. So we're going to be learning how to play Wipeout. Let's hear what it sounds like. 1, 2, 3, let's go! And that's how you play Wipeout. Hopefully you've heard it before. I don't know which movie it's been in. It's like there's another Disney movie that has it. But the point is, there's a lot of surf movies that have it. Classic hit. Let's learn how to play it so we can play with our partners. And so today, whoever played the last melody we did, will now play the chords for this one. So if you played melody last time, you're playing the chords this time. If you played the chords last time, you're playing the melody this time. Okay, so we're doing a switcheroo. So make sure you know who's good at what so that you can be able to plan it out well, okay? So let's zoom into the ukulele and let's learn how to play this classic. So starting off with our melody, we're gonna go on the E string. We're gonna go 0, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5. Okay, so the count is 1, 2, 3, 0, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5. All right, so 1, 0, 3, 4 with the middle finger, 5, 5, 5 with the ring finger. 0, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 3, 0, 0. Okay, so you're going forwards and then you're going back. 0, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 3, 0, 0, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5. So every time we go to the 5, we're going to count that as one round, okay? 0, 3, 4, first round. 3, 0, 0, 3, 4, second round. 3, 0, 0, 3, 4, third round. 3, 0, 0, 3, 4, 5, 5, 3, 5. So when we get to that fourth round, which we're going to play, so we're going to play this first part 4 times. We're going to play that ending as 5, 5, 3, 5. That's the end of the first round, okay? So the first round has 4 times. So we're going to go 0, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 3, 0, 0, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 3, 0, 0, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 3, 0, 0, 3, 4, 5, 5, 3, 5. So anytime when this A string we're finishing there, we'll go 5, 5, 3, 5. Then we go underneath. Wait for our second part. 0, 3, 4, exact same move. 0, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 3, 0, 0, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 3, 0. The only difference is we're doing it twice, and then we finish with 5, 5, 5, 3, 0 instead of a 5, 5, 3, 5. Okay? So make sure 5, 5, 5, 3, 0. Let's try that part 2. 0, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 3, 0, 0, 3, 4, 5, 5, 3, 0. Then we go back up, and then we do the exact same thing again, but this time twice. 0, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 3, 0, 0, 3, 4, 5, 5, 3, 5. So let's break that down. The first part we had 4, second part we had 2, third part we had 2. So the first round is always the longest, it's 4, then everything else becomes 2, 2, and then we're going to get into some ones, okay? So let's try put part 1, part 2, and part 3 together, nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 0, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 3, 0, 0, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 3, 0, 0, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 3, 0, 0, 3, 4, 5, 5, 3, 5, part 2, 0, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 3, 0, 0, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 3, 0, 0, 3, 4, 5, 5, 3, 5. Now let's take it to part 3. This is our really long stretch one. 0, 3, 5, 7, 7, 7. So we're going to go 0, 3 with our index finger, 5 with our middle finger, 7, 7, 7 with our pinky. So we're skipping that ring finger. 0, 3, 5, 7, 7, 7, 3 sevens. 0, 3, 5, 7, 7, 7, 5, 3, 3. All right? 0, 3, 5, 7, 7, 7, 5, 3, 3. Then we're going to go do another skip move. We're going to go 7, skip over the 5, and go straight to the 3. 7, 3, 5, 5, 5, 3, 0. Let's try that second part. 7, 3, 5, 5, 5, 3, 0. Let's put the two together. 0 3 5 7 7 7 5 3 3 7 3 5 5 5 3 0. One more time. 0 3 5 7 7 7 5 3 3 7 3 5 5 5 3 0. Then we go back up for part 5. 0 3 4 5 5 5 3 0 0. Okay, back to the same thing we did for part 1 and part 3. 0 3 4 5 5 5 3 0 0 3 4. We get stuck on that 4. We go 0 3 4 4 4 4 4. Literally hitting 4 4s. 4 4 4 4 0 3 4. Start again. Second round. That's the second time. Third time. 5 5 3 5. String underneath. Back up. And finish. Long one. 0 3 5 7 7 7 5 3 3 7 3 5 5 5 3. Back up. 0 3 4 5 5 5 3 0 0 3 4 4 4 4 4 0 3 4. Finish. So the second time you do all of that. 0 3 4 4 4 4 4 0 3 4 5. You finish there. So that 4 always shows the end of the whole thing. 0 3 4 4 4 4 4 da, 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 da. Okay? So the goal with this is once you get used to all those fingering positions, now speed it up. Because that's where the fun really is. Okay? So let's try to get a little bit quicker. 1, 2, 3. 0 3 4 5 5 5 3 0 0 3 4 5 5 5 3 0 0 3 4 5 5 5 3 0 0 3 4 5 5 3 5. Underneath. Second time. Up. 3 0 0 3 4 5 5 3 5. Long one. 7 7 7 5 3 3 7 3 5 5 5 3. Back up. 0 3 4 5 5 5 3 0 0 3 4 4 4. Repeat. I've taken a bit quicker. Underneath. So just a couple of things when it comes to that right hand when playing that melody. You can either hold the ukulele on its shoulder and use your thumb, but that can be a little bit tricky, especially when you're going really quick. Or you can go thumb, index, alternate. So if the thumb plays one time and the index plays the next. And that allows you to get a bit more speed and control. So I can go. The only thing is it can sound a little bit choppy. So I usually like the thumb, it sounds less choppy, but that's also an option. Just thumb and index alternating one after the other. Okay. All right, let's get to our rhythm section. All right, let's get to our rhythm section. So all we have is 3 chords. We have an A7, which is your index finger on the first fret of that C string. That's all. That's A7. Then you're going to have a D7. So I'm going to have the hard one and the easy one. So the hard one is you bar the second fret with the whole index finger. Make sure you're squishing it at the back. And then you put your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the A string. So bar the second and put the middle finger on the 3rd fret of the A. Or you can use your ring finger if you want, but using your middle finger is a better habit because then eventually, if you want to use your pinky, you get to do that. Okay? So that's called D7. That's our hard version. The easy version is just hold an A minor, skip a string and put your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the E string. So 2 0 2 0. That's also a D7. So you can use that if you want. Then our 3rd chord is you literally just take this tunnel down, boom, and you put your index finger up on the 1st fret of the G string. That's your E7. We've done this chord before, okay? So we have A7, D7, E7, A7. And so we have 2 different rhythms. You know, I always like bringing in a harder level and an easier one that you're used to. So to start off, we're going to start nice and catchy. We're going to go down, and then we cut it off by putting our fingers here. So down, 2, 3, 4, down, 2, 3, 4, down, 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 right, so we go 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have like 2 bars of 1 hit, so 1, 2, 3. One more hit. Now let's go for 2 hits. 1, 2, now 4 hits. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's our first section. Then we go to our next section, that D7. Alright, so when we get to that D7, whichever one you choose, you're going to go down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, twice. Okay? Then when you're on that D7, the person who's playing the melody is going to go to the string underneath. Okay? So we go da, 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 down, down, up, down, twice. Again, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, back to A7. For 2 down, up, downs. Alright, so we start off with that A7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. D7. Down, down, up, A7. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. Then we change. E7, D7, A7. Alright, so what I did there was I went to that E7 for 1 up, down, down, up, down, up. So down, down, up, down, up. I went to that D7 for 1, then that A7 for 1. Alright, so E7 for 1, D7 for 1, down, down, up, down, up, A7 for 1, up, down, up, cut. Alright, so I cut it and then I go on the E7, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Alright, cut, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So all together it should look like this. 1, 2, 3, da 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 da. Let's do this. I'm gonna play the chords twice and I want you to play the melody, but I'm gonna take it a little bit slower and so that you'll be able to play it well. So let's go for it. You're playing the melody, I'm playing the chords. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Dun, do, do, dun, no, no, do, 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 dun, no, do, 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 down, down, do, 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 do. So, if you're really comfortable with that strumming, what I want you to do is, if you're able to, we brought in our chuck strum last term. So I want you to try go down, down, chuck, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, alright? And so this is how it'll sound like with me putting in those first A7s. It'll sound like this. Da 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 da. Down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, down, repeat, down, chuck, up, 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 down, chuck, up. So, if you know you can do the chuck, please put it in there because it will sound way more authentic if you actually get the chuck. It gives it more of that island surf bored, kind of like someone getting wiped out. What's a wipeout, by the way? I want you to find out and then tell me about it and see why it's relevant to surfing. But have fun with this classic. It is a really fun one, especially when you're able to play it well with your partner. So practice it well so that you can perform it well. All right. All right, grade sixes, so have fun practicing Wipeout. Super fun classic. Go listen to the original song on YouTube. Go watch like a surf movie that might have some of it, and just really get it stuck in your head, because really fun one to get along. So have fun practicing this piece and the last duet we did, and make sure you switch and alternate with your partner so that both of you have a chance to play the main melodies and also the chords. Hey, even for this one, you could go, if both of you can handle it, you can go the first round, you'd play the melody, the second round you switch to the chords, but still in the same riff, okay? So have fun practicing, and I can't wait to hear you play this. Bye, grade sixes.